We're going behind the waterfalls. Hold your hand.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a shaky bridge. Oh, cool. Yeah, you're doing pretty good. You're brave. I like that. Yep. There. We made it. Now I want to see what water looks like from the back. Wow, cool. Look guys, it's the back side of water. Just too exciting. Oh, look, another waterfall. Yeah. Oh yeah, you see another one? Okay, let's go the other way, come on. All right. Hey guys, was it waterfall fun? Yeah. You ever seen the back side of water before? No, that's right. Oh, that would look like from the front. All right. Yeah, you want to go again? And now time to eat at the Grizzly Creek Lodge. Boy, I can't wait. They love the macaroni and cheese. And here we are at the Grizzly Lodge, or Grizzly Creek Lodge. And this is one of the best deals ever. All year drink free, all year for only $29.99. Considering how much the price of the drinks are, that's a really good deal. So the yearly pass is also a good deal. Ooh, they even got icy. Ooh, a very good menu, especially for kids.